this video you will need to listen then speak with us all the vegetable names. If you learn and answer the correct name of vegetable, you are a good learner and intelligent kid. Let's play this game. First, listen the name of vegetables carefully. Potato. This is a potato. This is a potato. Onion. This is an onion. This is an onion. Tomato. This is a tomato. This is a tomato. Carrot. This is a carrot. This is a carrot. Cabbage. This is a cabbage. This is a cabbage. Bringle. This is a bringle. This is a bringle. Capsicum. This is a capsicum. This is a capsicum. Cucumber. This is a cucumber. This is a cucumber. Garlic. This is a garlic. This is a garlic. Green garlic. This is a green garlic. This is a green garlic. Peas. This is a peas. This is a peas. Radish. This is a radish. This is a radish. Red chili. This is a red chili. This is a red chili. You are a good listener. Now it's time to read and repeat with us. Potato. Potato. Onion. Onion. Tomato. Tomato. Carrot. Carrot. Cabbage. Cabbage. Bringle. Bringle. Capsicum. Capsicum. Cucumber. Cucumber. Garlic. Garlic. Green garlic. Green garlic. Peas. Peas. Radish. Radish. Red chili. Red chili. You are awesome, kid. You are good listener. And you are good learner. You can also play and learn with your friends and find who is intelligent. You can watch our more videos and know about your learning skills. Thank you for watching our videos. Like, share, and subscribe our videos for your kids playing, learning and entertainment. It's kids heaven. Thank you. Take care. Bye.